back to Mule Mountain Sawmill. And if this is your first visit, I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. We try to put out videos that are educational and to help whoever's out there thinking about getting into the sawmill business or who is already in it, just to give you a little bit more information. Today we have another mystery log. This is mystery log number 3. Now this log isn't very big like our typical logs, but its only purpose today is just for the mystery log. So we're going to take a couple slabs out of it, put it back on the pile, and wait till somebody needs it, and then we'll give him a job at that point in time. So we're going to go ahead and get started today and look at the bark. Then we're going to look at the end that's uncut, that's dark, and we're going to look at the actual cut end. I always trim it in so you can see the wood by itself. Anyway, I'm going to try to hold the clues back at first, and then I'll start giving them to you as we go through this, and hopefully if you haven't already figured out what it is, you will soon. Tight bark, hard, relatively smooth, and as it goes up toward the top of the tree, a lot of times it does get a lot smoother. Here's the dark end of the log, and we'll come down here where we just bucked it. It's got a little decay, a little doty in it, but okay, let's get it up on the mill and break into it and see what we've got. See what we have done here. There's the first slab cut. A little deeper than normal, but I thought I'd try something different. Really cool grain. Here we go. We'll wet it down and take a look. Here's the wet view. And another big hint. Here's some leaves off of a like tree. This time of year it's easy to do because we have green leaves available. A couple of more clues before we reveal mystery log number 3. This is a very hard wood. It is used for tool handles, sporting good wood such as baseball bats, and it is a very good smoking wood. This is pignut hickory, or in our area we call it smooth barked hickory, and it's basically all over the eastern United States, but we do have it in abundance here in eastern Oklahoma. And I don't choose to cut it very often because it's so hard on my equipment. It's rough on chainsaws, definitely rough on saw blades, cutting along the length of the log. These trees are pretty resilient. They can last and live up to about 300 years in the right conditions. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to make more as long as we get the right feedback. Please like, please subscribe, and please share. And again, always safe milling.